Hello, Tracy. So I'm going to be reviewing your resume, and I'm going to start off with your phone number and your email. So it's good that you have both of those on there on the top, because I didn't have mine on there, and then I watched the video of Miss Ambrosie's example, and it said she commented about like how the person that she was reviewing did not have their any of their like information. So it's good because that's how they contact you. So off to a great start, and your objective is very clear and shows that you have 20 years of experience in higher education, which is good because I'm thinking that your internship is going to be in a similar field, which is why you included that. And well, going back to your your phone and your email, I'm not sure how important it is to have your address, but I'm sure that it is somewhat important because I've seen it in many resumes. So I'm thinking that's something that you could include. Um, for your education, it's good that you have all of it laid out right here. So it shows that you have a bachelor's of applied human and consumer sciences, an associate of applied business accounting, and your current. So I'd say that section is very clear. Your skills, all of the action verbs that you use are different, which is good because that's something that was um, shown to be important, in, especially in her video, Miss Ambrosie's example video. So it's good that you have a wide variety, and reading through them, they're very descriptive in what you do. So you audit admission recommendations from 56 departments for 300 plus students, and instead of just putting audit admission recommendations for departments for students annually, you made it clear exactly how many people you're working with, which is good because it shows that you have attention to detail, and it shows potential employers that how many people you are used to working with, which is important when they are like looking through your resume. And so for your experience, you have 2002 to the present, so that's about 16 years of experience in OU Grad College as an international records management specialist, and you provide great detail as to what you do, and that's important because this is probably like the most important information you have on here because it's basically everything that you've been doing um, for the past 15, 16 years. So I'm glad. It's good to see that you did put such an accurate analysis of your job. And going down to administrative coordinator, accounting clerk, accounting staff, it's obvious that you have years of experience as either an administrative, um, like so administrative coordinator. You have a lot of experience in administration and accounting. So, and your certification is in your Homeland Security. That's very good information to have. I'm not really sure what that is, but any certification that you have is essential, just because that's something that they can look at and see that you have. Um, can't really think of a different way to describe that. And for your software, you have your Blackboard, CollegeNet degree. So you've worked with a wide variety of software that makes it clear that you are proficient in working with technology, which is important in most jobs nowadays. So that's good. And so yeah, I'd say that your resume is the perfect size, and I'm not sure how if it needs to be exactly like 2 pages, or if it's okay that it's a page and like page and 3/4. I've heard mixed things about that, so I make sure that mine is either 1 page exactly or 2 pages exactly, and I'm sure you could find a little more information from your past work experience to fill up the page, 2 pages. And Synapsis, um, I wasn't sure if that was spelled wrong or it's a Y instead of a U, but that might be something you could look into. And let's see. So yeah, your resume looks pretty solid, and I'd say that I really like the organization of it and how everything is spaced proficiently, and it just looks pretty and it's easy to read. It's not too long, yet it gets down to the point. It lets the employers know everything that you've done over the recent years, and your skills, I would say, is the, the best section, in my opinion, because it shows everything that you have, um, like your transferable skills. It shows all the skills that you developed in the past years, and they're all different and differently worded, and I think just it just flows very beautifully because it has different action verbs in each, and uh, I know how tedious it can get reading a resume that has, like, so if it said continually acquiring cultural awareness, and then down here it's like continually, like, same words, same action verbs, just kind of, it doesn't have the same ring to it. And also how detailed you were and how many people you worked with, and um, just that kind of information is very important. And so yeah, maybe try to make the resume 2 pages long, but other than that, it's a beautiful resume, and maybe put your address. I'm not 100% sure how important that is, but yeah, other than that, solid resume.